Hi, Maria. Good job on this homework. So we have here, my name is Maria. That's perfect. I am from Honduras. Perfect. One skill is making art, speak English, and read the book. So vamos a corregir esta oración. Tienes la palabra one en español, uno, pero ¿cuántos tenemos aquí? Tres, ¿no? So necesitamos cambiar one, two, three. Three skills I have are making art, speak English, and read the book. So first correction is cambiar one a tres. Y también cambiar es a tengo, right? So one skill, yo tengo. ¿Cómo se dice yo tengo en inglés? All right, so one skill I have, yo tengo, making art, speak English, and read the book. Otra cosa, tenemos making, perfecto. Necesitamos speaking and reading, okay? So necesitamos cambiar este, tres skills yo tengo son making art, speaking English, and reading the book. All right? The most important things for me are family and education. Perfecto. No necesitas the and the aquí. The most important things for me are family and education. Necesita un y, familia y educación. In English, family and education. So those are your corrections for this. Good job. Make your corrections here. All right, fix your paper, and then I will look at it again.